Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you, Anna?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Đà Nẵng City, Vietnam.
Very good. What animal do you like?
I like blue. I like cat.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Very good. Where are they?
At my birthday.
That's right. Party, yeah.
Party.
What's this?
Birthday cake.
Yes.
Pizza.
That's pizza. What's this one?
Pasta.
Pasta, that's right.
Popcorn.
That's right. The pasta is...
The pasta is yummy.
Yes.
The popcorn is yummy.
Yes.
The pizza is yummy.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the
Yard. Backyard. Yep.
By
Yes.
kitchen.
Yes.
Kai.
Very good. What's he doing?
He riding a bike.
Yes. What's she doing?
She playing with a kitchen.
Very good. What's she doing?
She flying a kite.
Very good. Okay, where are they now?
In the village.
Village. Yeah. What's this?
Van.
Yeah.
Volleyball. Village.
Very good. Can you
draw a van?
Yes.
Can you draw a village?
Yes.
Can you draw a volleyball?
Very, very good. Where are they now?
In the kitchen.
That's right.
Jelly.
Yes.
Fruit.
Yes.
Jam.
Very good.
I like fruit.
Yeah.
I like jelly. I like jam.
Very, very good. Where are they now?
At the seaside.
Yes.
Sand.
Yes.
Sea.
Yes.
Sail.
Yes.
Let's look at the sand.
Very good.
Let's look at the sea.
Very good.
Let's look at the sail.
Yeah, very good. Where are they?
In the countryside.
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 Yes.
Road.
Yes.
River.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Very good.
I can see a road.
Yes.
I can see a river.
Yes.
I can see a rainbow.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the
Classroom. Okay, what shape is this?
Circle.
Yes.
Triangle.
Yes.
Square.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Yes.
Oval.
Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Star.
Yeah.
The diamond.
Diamond. Very good. That's right. Where are they now?
At the
zoo.
Zoo.
At the zoo.
Zebra.
Yes.
Hippo.
Yes.
Alligator.
Yes.
Tiger.
Yes.
Lion.
Yes.
Monkey.
Yes.
Elephant.
Yes.
Peacock.
Yes. Turtle. That's right.
Panda.
Yes.
Bear.
Very good. Where are they?
On the farm.
That's right.
Frog.
Yes.
Duck.
Yes.
Sheep.
Yes.
Cow.
Yes.
Cat.
Yes.
Goat.
Goat.
Hen.
Yes.
Rabbit.
Yes.
Dog.
Very good. Where are they?
In the grocery store.
Grocery store. That's right.
Milk.
Yes.
Fruit.
Yes.
Jelly.
Yes.
Jam.
Yes.
Orange.
Yes.
Mango.
Yes.
Apple.
Yes.
Carrot.
Yes.
Yo-yo.
Yes.
Cookie.
Yes.
Banana.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Yes.
Tomato.
Yes.
Egg.
Yes.
Yo-yo.
Yes.
Yogurt. Candy.
Very, very good. That's it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.